Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about another 5 collocations related to work and working environment. In the previous video that we created, and I put the link here, we talked about the first 5, and this is the second 5 collocations related to job. Okay, if you like the video, please stay with me. Okay, this is number 6. Number 6 is to throw a sickie. To throw a sickie. When you throw a sickie, it means that you pretended you're ill or unhealthy to take some days off. Okay, now let me give you an example. Andrew throws a sickie from time to time. I guess he hates his job. Okay, now this is our 6th one. Through a sickie. Now let's go to the number 7. Number 7, getting the sack. Getting the sack means to get dismissed from your job. Okay, remember this is an informal collocation. Okay, now let me give you an example. I'm sure Andrew will get the sack if he throws the sickie from time to time. Okay, so get the sack. Get the sack. That's it. Now let's go to the next one, number 8. Number 8 is sweated labor. Sweated labor is somebody who works for low pay and works in an unhealthy situation. Okay? Sweated labor. Let me give you an example. We should protect sweated labor in our country. I think they deserve a good service. This was our number 8. Now let's go to number 9. High turnover of staff. When a company has a bad management system or has a bad situation, many people decide to leave their jobs. Okay, in this case, we say that that company or organization has a high turnover of staff. So this was the number 9. Now let's go to number 10. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is stay the course. Stay the course means to remain in a company until you are successful. Okay, remember, stay the course is not always related to business, working, and these sort of things. Stay the course means to pursue a difficult task until the end. Okay, you should not give up. Let me give you an example. Success in small businesses requires determination to stay the course. Okay, that's it. This is our last collocation in this unit. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like our video, please click on like button and subscribe to our channel. Any question you have? Okay, leave your comment below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.